Geometry Polygons Review, Problem 12. If TO equals 28 inches, UR equals 32 inches, and ST equals 68 inches, what is SR? Well, we can find SR if we can find SU. We know that if we have a kite, the diagonals bisect. The diagonals are perpendicular, so this is a 90-degree angle. If TO is 28 inches, this diagonal bisects TO, so this becomes 14 inches. This length is 14 inches. So I'm going to call this piece length A. So how can I figure the length of A? A squared plus 14 squared equals 68 squared. A squared plus 196 is equal to 4,624. I subtract 196 from each side. And I find A squared is equal to 4,428. The square root of 4,428 is 66.5, more or less. And if I add 32 inches, then 98.5 inches is pretty much the length of SR. Okay, on to 13, which is a really interesting problem. The measure of angle 2 is 66 degrees. The measure of angle TRO is 74 degrees. So now we have to find the measure of angle 3. Well, I know that when I have a kite, the diagonals are perpendicular, so this is a right angle. I also know that this long diagonal bisects angle TSO. So if this is 66 degrees, this is also 66 degrees. But wait, there's more. If this is a right angle and this is 66 degrees, angle 3, the measure of angle 3 has to be 24 degrees because the right angle plus angle 1 plus angle 3 add to 180 degrees. Pretty straightforward. Problem 14 looks like it could be similar. The measure of angle 2 is 36 degrees, and the measure of angle TRO is 64 degrees. What is the measure of angle 3? This is 36. This is also 36. So this is 72, and this is 64. 72 degrees plus 64 degrees are 136 degrees. The four angles of a quadrilateral add to 360. Minus 136 means that we have 224 degrees for this angle plus that angle. So I divide this by 2, and that gives me angle SOR is congruent to angle STR, and that equals 112 degrees. But this short, but wait, I don't even have to do all of that. I know that this is a 90-degree angle. 90 plus 36 is 126. 126 subtracted from 180 degrees is 54 degrees. So the measure of angle 3 the measure of TRO doesn't mean anything. We don't even need that at all, because we have a lovely little right triangle right here. Half of this calculation I didn't even need to do. And problem 15, WXYZ is a rhombus. That means this is equal to this is equal to this is equal to this. We also know that I have 2 pairs of parallel sides. So if I have parallel sides, this is 55 degrees, so this is 55 degrees. So that's 110, so this is 70 degrees. And this is 70 degrees. And if that's true, this is 55 degrees, and 8x equals 55 degrees. X is equal to 55 divided by 8. Good.